Hi, I'm Katrina from Katrina and Clayton, building a food forest in Scotland. I am outside today, and even though there is some blue skies, it is freezing out here. It was -6 this morning, and for the UK in Scotland that is very cold. So I'm outside in our kitchen courtyard showing you what we've been up to with our winter wildlife activities. After we did the winter cleanup activities, we moved on to winter wildlife. So we looked at our bird feeders and our water tables and our nesting stations, but we also looked at making some bird feeders from pine cones. So I'm going to turn you around and I will show you where we put them. They are just along here. So on this hedging here, we keep it on the inside so the smaller birds have got a chance to actually get hold of them. So that is just on the other side of our kitchen courtyard. So I'm going to show you how me and Clayton made them last week and how popular they've been with the birds. Ooh. That's it. So we're going to make these for the birds. So I'm going to dip it in here. Put some of this on. Some of that on like that. Oh look, roll it. Oh, that's good. Then I'm going to get this and roll it like this. Ooh, look at that. Just put it on there like that. Squish it down. Kit?